Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the two adjacent sides, length and width. Take L and W in the same units because mixing units breaks the math. Once done, write the numbers down and, if one is a fraction, convert it to a decimal or a common fraction you can use. Make sure to place the measurements as the legs of a right triangle. This is why we will use the Pythagorean relation next. It connects the geometric idea to the formula. Now you form a right triangle where the diagonal is the hypotenuse, so apply the Pythagorean formula. Diagonal squared equals L squared plus W squared. Square each side, multiply L by L, W by W, then add those results. Once you have the sum, take the square root, that yields the diagonal length. If numbers are large or decimals, use a calculator. This step gives you the exact distance across the rectangle and preserves the units you started with. Finish by rounding the diagonal to the required precision and always include the unit. Then verify. Square your diagonal result and confirm it matches L squared plus W squared. This backcheck catches errors. If the numbers don't match, recheck your unit conversions, ensure you squared the correct values, and confirm you used the square root of the sum, not the sum itself. One troubleshooting tip. If the result seems off, remeasure L and W. Measurement error is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.